This video is brought to you by Specdtuning.com. On this video tutorial, we'll learn how to install bumper lights for a 2000 to 2006 Gmc Denali. We can begin by unhooking the locking pins that are holding down the headlights. Once the locking pins are pulled out, we could gently go to the back of the headlights, unplug the harnesses for the light bulbs. Once the headlights are removed, we can see that the bumper lights are held in with the locking clip. We'll demonstrate how to remove the locking clip shown here. You can reach inside and carefully press the locking clip to one direction and have the bumper lights pulled out. But please be very careful that you don't hurt yourself. Once all the light bulb sockets are taken out, we can completely remove the bumper lights. Bring over the new bumper lights and replace back all the sockets that we removed from earlier. When putting the bumper lights back into its original location, please be very careful in the inner corners where the clips are. The plastic clips are fragile. They must go into the correct slot before putting the whole bumper lens in. Once the inner corners are secure, we can then go ahead and press gently on the outer side of the bumper lights. We can now put back the headlights. After placing all the sockets, put the headlight back into its original location. Put back the locking pins. The bumper light installation is now complete. Please check all lighting before taking your vehicle out on the road. Thank you.
Thank you for choosing Specdtuning videos to assist you. Please visit Specdtuning.com for more products.